Kamusta?
Lahat tatahakin para sa ramen na trending.
Yeah, this is what you wanted.
Yeah, this is what I wanted. Laban lang guys. What time is it, mahal? 1:30 good yun.
It is 3:30.
Oh, 1:30. So, that's 2 hours?
2 hours.
Naghintay po kami. Ang itsura. Look at that. This is where we order, mahal, I think. We need to order first what we want. Classic.
You order because I have no idea here.
I want the tonkotsu.
Classic tonkotsu, yeah.
Hey, without egg. And then you, which one do you want? With this one?
Yeah, give me that one.
And I want this one, extra slice. That's all. 2,000.
What about that one?
890. Okay. Wow. 3,170 guys. Yen. Do we have enough?
Yeah, we have enough. But
Nagpa-change kasi kami ng dollars.
don't forget to take your ticket.
14 and 15. Pag ganito tayo dito.
My favorite water park.
That is King Self, baby love.
What is that? What is that, Mama?
That is a baby.
いらっしゃいませ。ご来店ありがとうございます。前を失礼いたします。こちら前を失礼いたします。お題をした食券順番にお預かりいたします。こちらお預かりいたします。はい、失礼いたします。ありがとうございました。
ありがとうございます。sabi mo.
それではお客様、お題をした食券をお預かりいたします。ご記入ありがとうございます。
Naintindihan nyo guys? Doon, baby love.
幸せ。
Palabatas! Palabatas!
Baw ng daw. Gusto ko yung ano nakita ko sa TikTok na magbaw daw sila pagkabigay na.
では先に前を失礼いたします。
Ano daw yan?
前を失礼いたします。少々お待ちくださいませ。
Kung paano siya kainin.
Sabaw.
Sabaw, opo. Magkain tayo ng sabaw.
Sabaw.
Ati na kami ni Nathan kay makaubos bago dito ng isang ano, isang bowl.
No.
What is this mahal for?
Equation.
Noodle refill?
I don't know what that says.
Oh, kuya woy. You want water, baby love? Inom ka, dali. You want?
What is it?
Butter.
What?
Cold?
Half boiled.
Yeah, I think so. This one I saw in TikTok, my love. Super trending. That's why I want to try.
I can see because all foreigners here.
Yeah, for...
They're hourly wage if you work here.
Hala, if you work here, guys, if you want to work here, you can get 1,400 per hour. So, magkano yan? Almost 10 euros na ha. Okay. Parang mga 500 pesos. It's like 500 pesos na.
Yeah.
Parang Pilipinas lang din. Diba? Halos ganyan na ang ano natin, regular rate. You want to try?
No.
No? Okay. That's tea.
Huh?
Tea. Pinoy na masyado si Nathan, guys. Pag magano yan siya, ha?
Mama tea.
Oh, you want tea?
What?
You want to try?
Got tea.
Try.
Look at tayo.
Dugay daw kaayo. Matagal daw masyado.
Dugay.
Dugay.
Dugay. Dugay.
Huwag maingay ba? Huwag maingay ito. Ang bata ito. Wait lang ha. Magkain na tayo ngayon. Magkain ka ng noodles. Thank you so much. Ang katabi natin ba, binigyan kami ng ano, libreng pork. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Sana all. Thank you.
Want to share that one?
Huh? Yeah, we can share this. Yeah, magkain tayo ng noodles ngayon. Binigyan kami ng katabi namin ng pork, guys. Kaya hindi daw sila kumakain ng pork. Nagbaw talaga sila. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Nakita mo, nagbaw siya sa'yo. Ito ba, nakalibre tayo sa tabi natin. Hindi ko sila kumakain ng pork na. Pork man lahat dito.
What is this?
お客様前を失礼いたします。
Thank you.
それよければこちらをご利用ください。
Thank you!
Thank you.
失礼いたします。
Dali na. Kain na tayo.
Makikita mama.
Siyempre. Of course. Nagsabi ka ng thank you sa kanya? Hot pa ka? Hot pa yan masyado. Binigyan kami ng pinggan.
Mama.
Yes, of course. You can have. Kamustahin natin ang Mr. Cook. Anong meron siya, be? Kapitbahay ko, kamustahin natin. What do you have in there?
Peeling my egg.
Oh, you're peeling your egg. Look. Meron siyang spicy. Enjoy. Arigato gozaimasu.
Oh,
Why?
maybe you should.
No, that's fine, mahal. It's fine. Hot pa ha? Opo. Place. That is same, tip. Lahat ng makita niya na ganito, na karne, ang tawag niya chicken.
Makikita mama.
Oh, of course. Hindi yan chicken, baby love. That is place, yeah?
Makikita nito.
Yeah, natulog. But it's still hot. Can you wait for a while?
Opo.
Very good. How about the soup? Did you try the soup already? Look here. Good?
Yeah, it's good.
Hot.
Hot pa?
Yeah.
Do you like it, mahal, the soup? It's good. Hindi pa ako nakatry. Papikit-pikit yun siya.
Makikita mama.
So good daw. Opo. Sure, why not? You want to try this? Ito na yung bigay ng ng katabi natin. Now, sarap. I want to try the soup. The noodles.
I want to try this too.
Yeah? Okay. Oh.
Maybe you can ask him if he wants a noodle refill because you won't want a noodle. Or do you?
No, I don't want a noodle.
Sir, can I ask you something? Do one of you want a noodle refill? Because that's what we didn't order, but we got it. They just do? Okay.
Okay.
You want a noodle refill?
No, I think
Okay.
Yung nagbigay ng karne ba? Lekker? Hindi niya lekker. Opo daw.
Yummy.
Yummy, so yummy. Ice cream yummy.
I can go.
Ice cream yummy.
I can go.
Ice cream yummy.
I can go. Sabaw.
Wow. Bukas pa ako makakain nito, guys.
I can go. I can yummy.
So, yeah? Very good. Eat and cow.
Ayan.
Sabaw. Laban lang. Ganyan talaga tayo mga nanay. No? Pero ang Mr. Gabi, tingnan nyo. Ang Mr. Gabi. Relax and eating so nice. When you're done, mahal, I want to eat to mahal ha. Maybe you can hold Nathan.
Yeah.
Oh, you didn't eat yet?
No, I did not. I cannot eat like this. He's still eating. Makakain na din sa wakas. Sarap na yun. Worth it.
Nice. Okay. It's nice because we were not yet hungry. Don't forget your extra meat.
いらっしゃいませ。ご来店ありがとうございます。前を失礼いたします。ございませんからこちら前を失礼いたします。お題をした食券順番にお預かりいたします。お預かりいたします。時にありがとうございます。前を失礼いたします。
Grabe ang noodles, guys. Kasarap. Perfect, mahal, no? My love. The noodles ba? So good. Grabe kasarap ng noodles eh. Hindi normal ang lasa ng noodles. Sarap. Ang bigay niyang kapitbahay natin. Matamis siya. Parang
Now I wish I ordered the matcha almond pudding with green tea sauce.
grabe, first time ko po na nakagusto talaga ng ramen, guys. Naalala nyo, pag nasa Nililansa ko, hindi ko talaga maubos. Pero iba ang lasa. Authentic. Ang noodles. It's worth the wait. First time. It's my first time to finish a bowl, mahal. It's the experience.
You did not finish your meat?
I don't like that. It's too sweet. Yung bigay ng kapitbahay ba? You want?
No. I put that in, when I finished the first meat, I put that in the bowl that you said.
Matamis yung binigay nila. Just wow. Ang sabaw. Okay kayo. Grabe kabusog, guys. Punta na po tayo ng Shinjuku. Pagkatapos po natin dito, no, kay parang nakita naman namin ng Shibuya, guys. Okay na, nakita natin. Saan? Look at that. And where? Oh, that is mine. Beautiful. Balik na po tayo sa station. Going to the station, my love? This one? Going to the station? Ano lang naman, isang station lang po to Shinjuku. Busuga, uy. What? Oh. Yeah, all of those people. Because that's the Shibuya Crossing, mahal. Look, guys. Shibuya Crossing. Tingnan nyo kami. Baka nandyan kami sa live ng ano. Shibuya Crossing live. Japan. Wow. Sana magama ko. Wow. So busy. Para magtawid lang. Let's go, my love. Shibuya Crossing. Woo! Grabe ang feeling, guys. Pag tumatawid tayo dito, kakaiba. Kasi si Manu, oh, kaya niya pa mag-vlog-vlog, oh. Tripod kami, oh. Vlog-to-vlog kami ni Manu, oh. Very good siya mag-tripod, guys. Nandito na naman tayo kay Chico. Diyan po yung kay Chico, guys, oh. Diyan, yung kay Chico. Nakapapicture na tayo dyan. Yeah, it will be very busy, mahal. Shibuya train station.
Maybe better to let him sit in here.
Can we have a picture here, mahal? Wait lang, my love.
Sorry.
Guys, kadaming subscriber na nakita natin dito. Tapos ngayon, hindi pala naka-vlog. Kaya nag-picture-picture kami ni Daniel. Makayak ako. Nagpaano pa naman yun si sir? Nagpa-shoutout sa nanay niya ba? Sir, pasensya na. Picture-picture pala yung kanina. Mami Rasin? Hindi ako sure ano pangalan niya. Nakalimutan ko talaga. Kasi nakaano siya ba? Naka-camera mode ang camera natin. Tapos meron pa iba din na mga Pinay. Pamilya. Sayang. Baka makita natin dito yun. Nakaiyak good ako, guys. As in, hinihintay po namin ang tatay niya. Pasensya na, ma'am, kung sino ka, ma'am. Na ano ko ba, kay pinashoutout siya ng anak niya nga. Tapos nakilala si Nathan, kay palagi daw nanonood ang naya niya. Pati sila daw na magkakapatid, kilala na kami, pati si Nathan. Hanapin ko good sana siya. Tapos Busy naman masyado. Pasensya na sir. Nasali sila sa vlog. Tapos ang ano lang ba, ang camera, naka-camera move pala siya. Hindi siya naka-video mo. Sabihin mo, sorry ma'am.
Sorry, Mom.
Pasensya na. Nabad trip talaga ako. Dami kasing tao. Hindi ko na sila mahanap. Sana yun sila. Meron pa yung pamilya na Pinoy din. Nakita sana sila sa vlog. Pasensya na talaga ma'am. Nagtinanga si Inday Garnet. Picture pa kasi ba? Hindi ako makamove on. As in. Kasi naano talaga ako. Nalungkot lang ako ba kay, alam nyo, magpa-shoutout sa nanay. Makatouch, di ba? Ipa-shoutout ang nanay mo kay nanonood sa atin. Ay na lang. Picture pa kasi ba? Dahil may sa picture guys, na picture. Saan ang Mr. How are you my love?
Okay, how are you?
Sad.
Sad? Enjoy.
Shibuya. Bebe. What? Nakimarites tingin nyo, tumatawa siya. Sino kayo? Ano ba? Nag-uusap na Japanese? Bakla pa. Hani daw. Oh. Nagtawa sila? Yeah. Tignan natin ang tinitingnan niya. Yan sila yan. Yan. Nag-uusap. Yan ang tinatawanan niya. Bebe Love, saan ka ngayon? Meron na siya pa ganyan-ganyan na sa'yo.
The Shinjuku subway line and the Oedo subway line.
Shinjuku. We are today in the Shinjuku, Japan. Grabe. Very confusing po ng mga stations nila kung saan ka lalabas. Kahit may mga ano na, may mga English na.
I want the Rolex.
Ah, you want? Oh, let's go.
Because you sold lots, right?
Yeah, let's go to the Rolex. I'll buy you.
You know
What you want, class A?
Instead, buy me a Casio and then the cheap one.
Okay. That is better. Nandito na tayo sa Shinjuku. Shinjuku. Ano kaya yan? What was that before? Do you think that was a tree, Mahal?
No, look, there's a wall underneath.
Oh, yeah, it's a wall. Ito, it's a tree. Lang, kay makita natin ngayon ang dinosaur. Meron silang dinosaur dito, okay? Pero mag-wait ka. Yeah? Kaya pa mag-wait? Can you give me money, Mahal? Just the coins, Mahal. Coins. Tay! Naglalakad pa kami, Tay! Nami sa Shinjuku, Mang. Sa Shinjuku, gabaktas kami. Ay, dapat lang. Okay, masarap yan. Okay, lekker. Magkano, Mang? Huh? Magkano na lahat? Punta dun kay Papa, dali. Wow! Look at that, guys. We are in Japan, Nathan. Can you see? Wow. Parang na-trauma na ako mag-picture na gamit itong camera ba. Kaya baka may makita na naman tayo na subscriber tapos hindi pala naka... Airplane? Gusto niya daw mag-uwi sa Pilipinas.
See if they have a port there?
Yeah. Wow. Look at that. Beauty. Beauty. I love it. Bili na muna ako ng cord ng aking cellphone. Magkano kayang usmo dito? Baka mura dito, guys. Itong camera ko. 99,880 yan. First time kong makakita ng McDo, guys. Dito sa Japan. Sabi ko kay Daniel, alam mo anong hindi ko nakikita dito? McDonald's. Ngayon lang, sa Shinjuku. Bebe love, bago lang tayo nagkain. Mamaya ulit, ya? Kadami-dami mong nakain. Mas marami ka pang nakain sa akin. Dali na, dali na. Straps, ya? Hanap tayo ng ice cream. Kay si Daniel, magpunta po siya sa kanyang ano dyan, habi-habi niya, guys. Tapos pabayaan natin siya. Makukupo lang kami ni Nathan. Now, wait lang. Huwag mo ako ganyan-ganyan. Wait. Wait natin si Papa kay nagbili ng ice cream. Upo ka ng maayos para bigyan kita ng ice cream. Uy! Alam nyo anong napansin ko dito sa Japan? Kahirap maghanap ng maupuan. As in, simula na nagpunta kami dito, wala kang makita ng mga upuan sa labas. Yan lang, katayo lang talaga sila. Sabi ko sa inyo, kaya sila mga sexy ba? Mga payat. Kahit kasasarap ng mga pagkain nila kasi sanay sila na maglakad, na magtayo. Andyan na ice cream. Wow!
Are you going to the Gigo?
No, somewhere there that I can sit. Yeah,
Then we can contact.
Bye!
Love you.
Enjoy, ha! Tingin-tingin na lang tayo dito, guys. Kaya hintayin natin si Daniel. Masarap ang ice cream mo? Tulungan ka ni Mama? Be, si Mama Big, kay malamig masyado. Sige, kaya mo. Kaya mo yan. Andun si Daniel, oh. Upo-upo na lang muna tayo dito. Kahit walang upuan. Laban lang. Nandyan na ang mister ko. Grabe, tagal-tagal din siya pa na nawala. That was long. Long time ago. What did you buy, B? Show us, B.
I got 3 board games that are very hard to get outside of Japan. Viking Seesaw, Wonder Bowling.
He was waiting for you, Mahal, because he really wanted to.
Tokyo Highway Rainbow City.
Tingnan nyo. Nagkabuang na siya. I told him, Mahal, he needs to wait for you. Dali na, dali. Kay kanina pa yan siya naghihintay sa tatay niya. Naniwala din. Sabi ko maghintay siya kay ang pera nandun kay Daniel. Pasok muna tayo dito. Ay, wag yan. Lollipop. Wag yan, Bebe Love. Iba na lang. Halika. Ay, ice cream ka na ba ya? Iba na naman. Tingin doon. Saan ang gusto mo? Maghanap ka muna. Saan ang... Hindi mo pa nga nakita ang iba? This one? 9? Or this one? Wow, this so moy. Saan? Wow. Ay, bastos.
Try again?
Yeah, one more. I-try natin kay naglabas na siya, oh. One more time. That can it, Papa. Cannot be. Almost. Oh, almost. One more.
I think it will happen like that.
Yeah? Scam kayo, ha? Hanggang Japan pala, ha? 200 yan ang isa. More.
Back there. Now we stop.
Yeah, let's stop now.
Because it's back where it was.
Yeah. Kaya kung bilihan na lang siya ng ganyan, sayang-sayang lang jud ba?
It's too thick. You will never get that one. It's too thick.
Wow.
Better to just buy the expensive
Yeah.
Mario toy than to do this because you lose more money.
Yeah. Magbili na lang ba? Maubos ang pera natin doon. Wala pa rin tayong nakuha. Ganda niya guys. Sana all. Ano siya, nagtatawag po siya ng mga tao para kumain sa restaurant nila. Nakahanap na talaga ako ng maupuan guys. First time. Mahal. I told them ba that it's so hard to find somewhere to sit here.
Yeah.
Yeah, now I found one. Yeah, can we sit for a while, mahal? Please lang, mahal. Utang na loob, grabe. Utang na loob. Kaya kanina pa talaga tayo sige lakad simula. What time did we go out? Like 9 o'clock. No, 9 my love, no?
Yeah.
But we went out from
Yeah,
the...
we went out 9.
Anong oras na? What time is it now?
It is almost 6.
Almost 6. Lakaran sa Japan. Trying the ice cream.
That's a good one.
Yeah, I told you. But I'm afraid that's with egg. Tingnan nyo naman ang upuan.
And how do you know it's a good one?
I tried that in, what is that? The Japanese mall. And then I had,
And then you had the...
yeah, the allergy.